Hello guys, today we are going to study the next lesson, which is lesson 23, which is about twin rank filter. So it is simple, this indicator is simple. So you go to the trading.com. Example, I haven't added this yet. Okay, so go up here, click on indicator, type the word twin range. You see here on the top here, twin range filter, click on it. Okay, well done. So I already added here, so do not change anything, remember. Okay, so how to use this? Yeah, that's cool. This is very important for trading in future, but in spot it's a little bit advantages. Okay, for future, you see this one is long and this one is short, meaning, example from here, long meaning it's going to buy, buy long here, so it's going long, and here short, and then long again, short long. That's very benefit for the trading future. You can position long or short. See, and this is cross. It confirmed to position short from here, short. Okay, short here. This is long, long, and also the line is confirm here, CDC is confirmed later, but twin rank filter confirm first. That's cool. And look at currently now. Okay, currently now is confirm short, and twin rank CDC also confirm down here because the blue line is above the red line. Now twin rank filter also confirm short. You can position buy short in future. And look at other. Okay, so EMA and MA not confirmed yet. Just wait this to confirm first. And MACD is also already confirmed. Okay, chart pattern 4 hour is break the support now. CCI, this is confirmed here. CCI confirmed down. RSI is confirmed down. Okay, one more thing you must wait is MA, EMA not cross yet. Yeah, time frame 4 hour is not confirmed yet. So that's benefit for using all indicator. Remember, if you use on twin rank filter or CDC, action zone is not good. You must combine all. Example, indicator, chart pattern, EMA, NMA, with other indicators, news. All of these you must combine together, and you can do trading, and you can trading long time in cryptocurrency. But if you base only one, example CDC action zone, you base only one, that's not work. So remember, you must combine all of these together. That's you can do trading long time in cryptocurrency. Okay, in short, twin rank filter is benefit for trading future, because we have short long, yeah, where to short, where to long, where to short, where to long. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.